I have been bored, so my goal, which I'm using a stick, camera stick. So I've been bored, so my goal has been trying to take that. There's 3 videos. There's 3 different videos on my TikTok, AJ36. Yeah. I've tried just yoinking it, she'll just bark at me. I'll try touching it, she'll just growl. What do you know Papino doing? We're just... So... Give me a second. Oh my god, team. Don't go near Luna right now. Jesus. Let's see. My hair is a mess, I know it, but that doesn't matter. Luna. Wait, what's another tree? Want tree? Well, that was easy. Money prize. I got the money prize right here. God. So what if I eat this? Can I eat it? What if I bought it? Mind if I break this up for you? Yeah, this stuff's too strong. Sit. Yeah, this is a little too easy, say. A little too easy, say. Just get right in your personal space. I know. So I don't want you to bark, okay? But I want it to. Oi! Hey, hey. She wants the rocks. don't know where it is. Oh my god, she's looking everywhere. I feel bad. Oh my god, Dean. What? Oh, shit. Where is it? Where's your tree? Smoke. Hi. He's smoking on the camera. Where is it? Oh, I should probably turn off the light. Where is it? It's totally not right there. Probably not. Look. Is this it? Is this it? Is this it? It is. Wait. Go. Let's see. What if I hold it? Okay, hold up. Oi. Luna. Come on, I was just holding it. Hey, I'm gonna need that for a second, actually. You even... I don't even know if you're... Oh, you are on the right side. Hey, I need to borrow this, alright? Oh, she is getting so mad there. So close and personal. I don't know why the camera's so zoomed in. It's not even that close to her face. I'm zooming it out right now, it does nothing. Jeez. Bro, why is the camera so zoomed in? That's what I hate about these newer phones. I wish I had those way newer phones. This is an iPhone XR, it's not that new. Actually, I'd like an iPhone 13 so I could hit a button and zoom it out more. Hey, you think I can have it? I'm not touching it. I'm not touching it. I'm not touching. Oh. I'm not touching it. I wasn't touching it. I should have grabbed it there. Give your dang hand. She tried biting me. So I was gonna close her mouth, like, you know, lightly hold it so then she couldn't really bark. Because I think one more bark round and Gucci. Where is it? Wait, what if I go set this outside? Put her on the leash and see what she does with it. Does she bring it back? Does she? Is this what you're looking for? Hey. Hey. Hey, you guys want to hold the bone for me? Y'all want to hold this for me? See what Luna Tuna does? Hey, hold this for me. Hold it for me, alright? She don't know what to do. Oh wow, they both left. Hey, you can't go out there. You're not allowed out there. Hey, you're not allowed out there. Hey. My phone turned off there. Hey. You're not allowed out there, you know? What are you gonna do about it? It's right there. It's right there. Go for it. Want it? Go. It's right there. It's right there. It's right there. Luna. It's literally right there. I'm joking. It's right there. Why does she struggle there to pick it up? She's like trying to pick it up, you know. Hey, in one of my next videos, I will be playing. Well, my controller battery is dead, but yeah, one of my next videos, I'm gonna be playing that. Nice. I can see it anymore. So I'm gonna just grab her bone and walk off. Alright. Hey, I'm done messing with you for the night, alright? Bruh, it was seriously that easy. All I needed to do was grab it and walk off with it. She's like, huh? What you doing with it? I got my batteries. Yeah, or maybe next video. I don't know if I'm actually gonna do that next video, or try to make an intro. I don't know, but I'm not messing with her tonight. Well, I'm actually gonna try to make an intro. So, see ya. Peace out.